Step into the 2019 Mazda CX-5. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a blind spot monitoring system, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive assures superb handling in any weather condition. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.